How to connect Bluetooth headphones to a phone. Welcome to this simple step-by-step guide on how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your phone. Let's get started with a smooth and wireless audio experience. Introduction. Bluetooth headphones offer the convenience of wireless listening, allowing you to enjoy music, take calls, and more without being tied down by cables. In this guide, we'll walk you through the easy steps to pair them with your smartphone. Step 1. Power on headphones. First, power on your Bluetooth headphones by pressing and holding the power button. Most headphones will enter pairing mode automatically, often indicated by a flashing LED light. If unsure, consult your headphones manual to activate pairing mode. Step 2. Open phone settings. Next, open your phone's settings app and navigate to Bluetooth settings. Depending on your phone model, this might be under Connections or Wireless and Networks. Ensure that Bluetooth is switched on. Step 3. Search for devices. Tap, scan, or pair new device to let your phone search for available Bluetooth devices. Wait for your headphones to appear in the list, typically showing their brand or model name, such as Sony WH-1000XM4 or Bose QC35. Step 4. Pair the devices. Select your headphones from the list of available devices. If prompted, enter the pairing code, commonly 0000 or 1234. Once successfully paired, a message like "Connected" will appear on your phone's screen. Step 5. Test connection. Now, test the connection by playing some audio or making a test call. Make sure the sound is coming from the headphones and adjust the volume to your preference. Ensure that the connection remains stable during use. Troubleshooting tips. If you encounter problems, make sure the headphones are in pairing mode. Restart both your phone and the headphones if needed. You can also forget the device from your phone and retry pairing. Lastly, keep the devices within approximately 10 meters of each other. Conclusion. Connecting Bluetooth headphones is simple and gives you the freedom to enjoy wireless audio anytime, anywhere. Just follow these steps, and you are ready to experience music and calls without the hassle of wires. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. We hope this guide helps you easily connect your Bluetooth headphones to your phone. Feel free to ask any questions.